Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you 5 reasons why you should sign up for this awesome new guaranteed pay feature for gig workers. It's a super awesome feature that a lot of drivers frankly don't know about. And before I get started, if you do end up wanting to sign up for Solo, they're gonna send you 15 bucks right now when you link your gig account down below. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you 5 reasons why you should sign up for Solo. I even got the merch on. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so here we have it, my friends. This is Solo, the business app for drivers. And firstly, with that, jumping right in, the first reason why I think why gig workers, every single gig worker should sign up, number 1 is because it's completely free. They have a nationwide free version. So as you can see here, they have a completely free nationwide version where, like I said, you can sign up, you get the personal income dashboard, custom weekly income reports. And again, they're gonna send you the $15 just when you sign up and link your account. You can also sign up for these other ones with a completely free trial as well that comes with the mileage tracking. And the $7.99 version does unlock the guaranteed pay version, which it's free for the end of the month. And again, you could just sign up, try it out, and cancel it if you don't like it. And they will still send you the $15. So the first reason why I think you should sign up is because number 1, it's free and they're basically paying you. Okay, number 2, it comes as no surprise, is that because of the guaranteed pay feature. So if you look here, no other company or Uber and Lyft don't even do this, but so as you can see here, this is an example they have set up of the guaranteed pay feature. Is when you go out from 8 to 9 a.m. they're going to guarantee that you make $27. So if you go out and do DoorDash from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and you only make 18, they're going to pay you $9 difference, and that already covers the monthly fee. And look at this, from 10 to 11 a.m. 37 bucks with Lyft. So if you go out and you only make $20, they're paying you $17 difference. And a lot of people are making a lot of money with this thing, because I know when I go out and drive for Lyft, I usually average only 24 bucks. The reason number 3 is because of how much more money drivers take home. They estimate that drivers are taking home $5,000 more a year just for signing up. Reason number 4 are because of the tax deductions. So Solo has an automated mileage tracking system, which is really, really cool. We make sure you maximize your tax deduction by tracking your business expense. Solo will automatically track your work-related mileage trip when the app is on and sync to your work activities. You can go the extra mile by tracking other deductible expenses. So if you haven't learned yet, as a gig worker, you are essentially a small business owner, and you have revenue and you also have expenses, and then you have your profit. Well, if you're not tracking your expenses correctly, you're gonna owe way more in taxes at the end of the year. So I think every single small business owner should really try to get an accountant, or utilize something like Solo, where they're actually gonna help you track your miles, because that's for a tax write-off, and also your expenses, cell phone bills, cleaning supplies, your Solo subscription is a tax deduction. All of these things a lot of gig workers don't know about, or it's just way too hard to track, and Solo does it automatically, which is super cool. Okay, and the last reason why I think Work Solo is really cool is because of the people, the community that Solo is. The Solo community is really awesome. Some of you guys know who Harry Campbell is. I went ahead and went on his LinkedIn. He's from the Rideshare Guy. You can even see here on his LinkedIn page that he's an advisor and an investor in Solo. And he actually believes in the company. He's been an investor for over a year. They have a lot of funding. They have $5 million in funding. I think they're growing, and they really do care about drivers. Obviously they're giving back to drivers. So anyways, those are my reasons why I think you should sign up for Solo. I got the merch on. And I think they're just a really cool company that cares about drivers. And again, they're gonna send you 15 bucks when you sign up with our unique link your account. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and let me know what you think about Solo. You can sign up for free nationwide with our link. Talk to you soon. Bye now.